Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your desktop background or theme. To change your desktop background or theme, simply right click on a desktop space, then click Personalize. Then you have to go to the themes option, select themes option. Here you can see that some type of Windows themes. I'm selecting flowers. Simply double click on it. Then if you want to change the background, then click it. Here you can see that background, slideshow option, solid color and picture. If you want to slideshow after 30 minutes, 1 hour or 10 minutes, you can select it. Here you can change every picture after 30 minutes, 10 minutes or 1 minute. I am selecting after 10 minutes. And supply off or on, you can select on for supplying serially. Then if you want to search a solid picture from your desktop, to simply click this picture and browse your picture. I am selecting this picture, source picture. Desktop background is changed. You can change from this here also, or if you want to change your lock screen when Windows start, and you can select this also. As well as same, you have to choose picture, then browse and select your own picture, then source picture. I am clicking cancel because I don't want to select it. And colors, if you want to change the theme, Windows mode, light mode or dark mode, you can choose from this bar. I'm selecting light. Here you can see that all the mode is going to white, and if I choose dark mode, here you are seeing the difference between it. And if you want to change the default app mode, light to dark, you have to choose the dark mode, or if you want to select the default, click light. So that's all. Thanks for watching.